Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add a header and a footer in Outlook on laptop. So currently we have our output, and this doesn't matter if you want to use the app version or the web version. Just make sure you get to your Outlook account. Now once you're on your Outlook account, you want to locate the settings gear icon. Now this is it. You're going to click on it. Then you want to make sure you're on your account and then select signatures. You can see signature right here. And what we're going to do is to add a new signature. So of course we're going to say header and footer. Then we're going to create some text right here after going down some lines. So here is where you're going to have the body of the mail. And then we're going to take our cursor to the top, then scroll down, click on insert pictures in line, select header, and then go down. You can use shift and enter to create new lines, and then click on the insert pictures in line again, select footer, click open, and now you have your header and your footer. Then of course you have the middle area where you have the body of your mail that will be written. Then you'll need to select if you'd like to have this in every new message, also in replies and forwards. So we could decide to click save, and then click on the drop down. So now we have header and footer, then select it again. So for every correspondence, we can have the header and footer. Of course, this is your preference, so we can click save. Great. And now we have our footer and our header, and so we can click close. And then here you can click on new, and here you can see your header, the body of the mail, which of course you can make some edits to, and then you have your footer. So this is how to add a header and footer in Outlook on your laptop.